Hello, everyone, and welcome to this quick tip. In our quick tip today, we will discuss about Amazon Bedrock models and their availability by use case and region. So let's get started. A couple of things to keep in mind before we proceed further ahead. Most models are available in US East, that is North Virginia, or US West, that is Oregon region. So these are the two most popular regions that has, let's say, 90% of the models available. And most importantly, check the pricing details before using any model in Amazon Bedrock. Some of these models can be very expensive and can lead to significant charges, and I don't want anybody to get burnt. So check the model's pricing details before playing with it or using it. Otherwise, you will get burnt with some surprise charges. So these are a few use cases and basically, the corresponding model that is available in Amazon Bedrock. So let's take each use case and see, which model or models are available, some of the suggested scenarios for that specific use case, and which regions in are these models available in. So the first use case that we have is text generation and summarization. The two models that are available for this use case are Amazon Nova Pro and Cloud 3 Haiku. Now, Nova Pro is good for content generation and report generation and any kind of chatbots. And Haiku is good for real-time chatbots, quick content generation, and data analysis. And these are the different regions where these models are available. As I said, most models are available in US East and US West, that is North Virginia and Oregon regions. The next use case that we have is image generation. Now that there are two models again available for this particular use case, you can use Nova Canvas or Stable Diffusion XL. And Nova Canvas is good for graphic designs. You could use it for any kind of marketing materials creation or concept visualization. Whereas Stability AI Stable Diffusion XL is good for art creation, product design, and visual storytelling. And these are the regions where these models are available. So Nova Canvas is available in Asia Pacific, Tokyo, and Europe, Ireland, along with US East. And over here you have US East and US West. The next use case that we have is data analysis and insights. Now, one of the models that is available in Amazon Bedrock is Nova Light, and that is good for business intelligence, any kind of trend analysis, data-driven decision making, and these are the regions that is available in. Let's say if you are building a conversational AI and a chatbot, you could potentially use Meta Llama 4 Mavic 17B Instruct. This model is pretty good with any kind of customer service chatbots creation, visual assistance, or interactive storytelling. And it's available in US East and US West. If you are creating any kind of an application that requires text to speech or speech recognition, then you can use the Noah Sonic models. They have good accessibility features, voice assistance, and audio content generation. And these are the regions where it is available. Finally, let's say you're creating any kind of enterprise-specific applications. Could be in financial analysis, healthcare-based applications, any technology sector-based use cases. You could then use the writer models. So Palmyra X4 and X5 are available for this particular use case and these scenarios, but this model is currently only available in US West, Oregon. So if you want to play around with it, you have to go to US West, Oregon, and then play around within that particular region. The last two use cases that we have is code generation and analysis. You could use Cloud 3 Office for any kind of software development assistance, code review, technical documentation. These are the regions where it's available in. And let's say finally, if you are creating any application that requires multilingual translation and understanding, you could use Cohere Command R+. So if you have scenarios that involves global content localization, cross-language customer support, that's when you can use this particular model. And it is available in US East and US West. So now, since you know some of the use cases and their corresponding suggested models and their regional availability, you can use this information to select the right model for your use case. And I had actually created a quick tip wherein I had given a step-by-step guide, like a workflow, that you can use to select a correct model for your use case in Amazon Bedrock. So this is that quick tip. This is the URL to it. I will also have it mentioned in the description of this video. So use this information that I have just shared with you, models and the corresponding use cases, and then use the workflow and the process that has been, discussed in this particular quick tip to basically select your model appropriately. So I hope that this particular quick tip was helpful. I hope you enjoyed the whole Amazon Bedrock series. Do post your comments. I love, seeing your comments. I might not get time always because I do have a full-time job. I just do this out of passion. I share my knowledge with everyone. But yeah, do post your comments. Let me know how your experience has been and what models you're using for what use cases. And I would love to listen and learn from you as well. So this is it from me today. Thank you very much. If you're new to my channel, do like and subscribe. And I will see you shortly in some other video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.